Good morning, dear children. Yesterday, I have given you homework regarding vocabulary exercise A. Match the pictures with the left with their numbers on the right. This was for your homework, so you must have done it. The next question was Part B. Write the number names against the following numbers. You have to write the number names of the given number, and this was also for your homework, so you have done it. Now it's the time for grammar portion. The question is given. Part A. Complete the sentence using a and an. So a and an and the are articles. So we have to complete the sentence using articles. So before starting this exercise, let me explain you articles. So dear children, an is article which is used before the vowels. And what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. All the words that are starting with alphabet A, E, I, O, U, N is placed before them. And all the words that are starting with the alphabet excepting these vowels, we have to place A before them. So, with all the vowels, we have to place N, and with all the consonants which are not vowels, we have to place A. So, these are the articles A, N, and the. Here, we don't have to use the, so let it be postponed for the next video. Let us finish the exercise using articles N and A. First one is given. I live in dash flat. So look at the word flat. The first alphabet is starting with F, and F is not a vowel, so we have to write a flat. Second one is he is eating dash apple. So look at the word apple, and apple is starting with the alphabet A. So A is vowel, so we have to write N before apple. Now the third one is we went on dash elephant. So elephant is starting with E, and E is vowel, so we have to write N. Now the sentence fourth is Raju is dash tall boy. So the word tall is starting with T, and T is not a vowel, it is consonant. So we have to write A.